Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see kung ano yung energies ng inyong love life ngayong September 2026. General reading. So, pwede kayong makarelate. Pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay. Let's see, Leo. Love life ng mga Leo. Love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. Wow. Okay, so you are healing, Leo. Kung kayo ay nanggaling sa isang past relationship na hindi nag-work para sa inyo, you are focused on yourself. Pagbibigay ng halaga sa iyong sarili. Lalo na kung medyo nakalimutan mo yung sarili mo, masyado mong binuhos ang effort mo sa partner mo. Now, this time, you are going to love yourself. Ikaw muna. Yes, kasi nga ang focus mo rin is abundance. To bring abundance in your life, ang abundance, it's not just about the money, no? Resources din yan. Abundance of knowledge, abundance of skills, love, o diba? So, mas mamahalin mo, papahalagahan mo ang iyong sarili this time. Oy, may mystery. Hidden gifts and other secrets come to light. Maaring meron kang secret admirer. Meron kang marireceive na gifts from someone. Or, ito rin yung time na marirealize mo, madidiscover mo yung abilities mo. Yung iba mo pang kakayanan na hindi mo na-discover, na-nurture nung meron ka pang relationship kasi focus ka lang dun sa partner mo. So this time, it's all about you. You have the Three of Pentacles. So, makes sense because you are really wanting na mas mag-improve, mag-grow sa iyong sarili. This is personal growth. You may be working with some people, no? May collaboration. Let's see. You have the Knight of Swords. Okay. I think, nandun ka na sa point na mas palaban ka. Oo. Kasi pwedeng itong person na naging ka-deal mo in the past, para hinayaan mo lang na may mga gawin siyang kalokohan sa'yo. And this time, you are, pinaglalaban mo yung sarili mo. Justice. Diba? Binibigyan mo ng justice ang sarili mo. This is a major decision na ginawa mo sa iyong love life or gagawin mo sa love life mo. You are choosing yourself. You are choosing to fight because you're choosing to grow. Ganda ng message. You are choosing to grow. And also, bringing justice sa sarili mo. This is also bringing yung kung ano yung dinideserve mo. You are reaping the rewards. So, kung ikaw ay single, you have the Ten of Cups. So, you are focused on family. May mga get-together. Pwedeng kayo ay may mga aatenan ng mga parties, reunion, may involvement ng family. You will be talking a lot. Marami kang makakausap. The Chariot. Oh, okay. So, I feel like kung single ka tapos pupunta ka sa mga party, sa mga events, na kung saan marami kang makikilala, I think meron makakapansin sa'yo, no? Na someone na maaring maging attracted sa'yo, and that can start a romantic connection. Kaya kailangan labas-labas din. Kailangan nyo rin lumabas. Kasi kung ayaw nyo lumabas, paano kayo makaka-connect sa ibang tao? So, for those na single, I think merong mai-impress sa inyo eh. Oo. Someone will catch your attention. Or you will catch someone's attention. Pwedeng vice versa. Kasi pwedeng ikaw yung merong mapapansin na potential romantic partner. Pwede itong ipapakilala ng isang kamag-anak, mutuals. And then, I think this is going to be parang mabilis na pangyayari no? Pwede ring, yung tinatawag nilang whirlwind romance na, mabilisang attraction, ganon. But of course, it's still up to you. But it's going to be extra exciting para sa mga singles dyan na Leo. Lalo na kung kayo rin yung nanggaling sa separation. Pero kung mas magpo-focus ka sa sarili mo, that's also better. But possible din na may opportunity for a new connection. So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.